How to add Google Maps location to Instagram. Hey guys, let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up Google Maps application on your device and pin any location that you want to add on your Instagram. Now, once you've selected the location, you'll find various options. From the given options, select the share button and now copy the link. Once you've copied the link, open up Instagram application, log into your account and click on your profile at the bottom right corner. And now click on edit profile just under your profile picture. Now from here, click on add link option. Next, select add external link. Now paste the URL that you copied earlier in the URL field, and you can also add title if you like. Once you're done, click on check mark at the upper right corner. Now the Google Map link will be added to your Instagram bio, and if anyone who visits your profile click on the link, they'll be redirected to the Google location that you have specified in the bio. That's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.